Hey y'all, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I will be showing you guys how I will be applying this mask to my hair. Starting off, these are the things that you will need. You'll need 2 shower caps. I have a big bonnet to trap the heat in, a spray bottle, a brush or a comb, whatever works for your hair. I have the mask and of course any clips or ponytails that you will need to hold it together. First off, I'm starting by laying my towel down so I make sure I do not make a mess. Alright, starting off, I'm taking my braids out that I had underneath my wig. I'm going to detangle. The first thing I'm going to do is wet it with water to make sure that my hair is sucking up that water first so that it will take the mask well. I'm going to start by detangling my hair. I'm going to start from the bottom, then work my way up. And the same thing for the mask. I'm going to put it at the bottom and work my way up to the roots. Okay, so as you guys see me applying the mask to my hair, you guys will see me making sure that it is in throughout the whole section. I'm going to split it up and work it through. I'm definitely going to give you guys a length check so you guys see how long my hair is. And then I'm just working this mask through to make sure that I have enough for the whole head. Okay, so now that I have it all throughout my hair, I'm showing you guys the actual length of my hair. Honestly, this mask weighed my hair down so you guys can see how low that my hair drops. Yes, to the length. Now that I am done, I'm going to start putting the shower cap on. I'm putting 2 shower caps on to trap in that heat, and then I'm going to put that bonnet, and then later on you guys will see me, I was wearing a hood to make sure that the heat stays inside. So within this last couple of clips, I'm showing you guys how much mask that I had left. I had enough. Usually I would have to make more, but as I told you guys before, I had my hood on and this is how it looked. I'm just taking everything down so I can get ready for my shower. I'm showing you guys my shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to make sure to shampoo twice, condition twice, detangle in the shower, and then I'll show you guys how my curls look within the shower. I made sure to rinse my hair with hot water and my curls loved it. So yeah guys, that is the video. This is how my hair looked after I t-shirt dried my hair, and then I was just preparing my hair for my wig that I put on. So this is the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, send this video off to your friends, let them know what Mesha Curlz is doing. I will definitely see you guys on Sunday, and I will see y'all later.